running no anti-roll bar. Anti-roll bar is cut off here. So that's actually a perfect circle, and that should be an Allen key. So that's the ball link.
Got it in, thank God. And we didn't even have to even remove the exhaust, which I thought we was gonna, which is an absolute nightmare. Successful! Yeah. You know what's good. Part 2 of the JDM anti-roll bar install. Right now, currently cutting the remains of the driver's side anti-roll bar off with a junior hacksaw. Jap service parts, 30 quid for 2. Not bad at all. So instead of cutting it off, like I did to start with, we should have just done the proper way with the Allen key in the socket. I thought we were just going to round straight out, but it's actually coming out quite smoothly. So the drop link is on its way out.
We were hoping we could slide the anti-roll bar up and over the downpipe and the cat, but we can't, so we're gonna undo it from the cat to the B pipe, slide it in, up, feed it fucking up and over.
Yeah.
And then begin. Cat. Anti-roll bar up and over.
I need you to pull this down, please, mate.
So, it's close, just about wiggling it about, get it up and over, into position. So we'll join us back when we've got it in.
Got it in, thank God. And we didn't even have to even remove the exhaust, which I thought we was gonna, which is an absolute nightmare. Just undone the 2 bolts, there. Undone them, so the flex is wobbly, undone the cat to the B pipe, but, got it in.
Just loose for now while we're getting underneath and put in.
Is that drop link still attached?
Yeah, the poly bushing hangers in. So they just slide on and then clamp up. But yeah, it's going pretty successful so far, considering last week.
Yeah.
So join us back when, well, we've made some progress.
Anti-roll bar in position, we're just whopping up one of the drop links. The other side is not done yet, and the 2 brackets underneath are in hand tight. So it's going alright. It's only been an hour so far. Hashtag swag gang.
That drop link's done, all tightened up, and the pulley bushing clamp is done. So we're going to move on to the other side. Get that on, get that wheel off, pop it on, tighten everything up, jack this side back up again, do all of them cap bolts back up, do the flexi bolts back up, swap the O2 sensor back in. We had to take that out to get it up and over it because it was just in the way, and then I think we're done and all happy days. Quite quick, quite easy.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad, was it?
But yeah,
something on the Honda weren't too bad.
yeah, that's a surprise for everyone.
It was quite bad last week though.
Oh yeah,
That was horrendous, nothing was going right. I still have an O2 sensor that's cable tied in, but
gotta retap that somehow.
it works, so I don't really care. For now, I'm gonna get it done in the week, so. We've got both drop links in now, all of the brackets are hand tighted in. What we did is we got the driver's side drop link in, got the brackets in hand tight, then got a bar and yeeted down on it and walked the drop link in. So I don't know if that's the most conventional way to do it, but that's how modified we could do it. But
Do you know how loud that's going to be when it comes on? One drop link down. Just doing up the brackets.
Is that drop link tight?
Yes.
It is.
Doing up the brackets on the poly bushes. And the other side we do that back up as well. What the bolts in back to the cap to the thingy. And then bolts in to that. And it's done.
Yep. Getting so much smeg from this exhaust wrap in my face.
So we're just doing up the last 3 bolts to the cat, to the B pipe. Got everything else done up tight. We'll get these last ones done and then it's done. Sorted.
Exhaust sits so much lower now.
The O2 sensors are back in for now. Kinda. But yeah, get this done. And we're finished.
In is a very loose term.
Oh, considering they're loose. But yeah, we're done, I think, nearly.
Successful!
Yeah. There's no knocking, no rattling, no warning lights. So yeah, pretty successful I think.
I'd say success. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little quick one of installing the JDM anti-roll bar to the Honda after last week's spastic mess up of the drop links and all that, so we had to cut them off, blah blah, but today went alright, getting it all back in and the manifolds all back together and everything. Yeah, quite happy with how it went. So hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in next week for a brand new one. Like and subscribe. See you later. Hey, basically got a JDM EP3 exhaust manifold and cat. Loads more free flowing than the standard one.